Hamsa arkadaşlar, sizler şu 9. ders kitabını edip, şu bugünkü 9. ders keserken a cold welcome. Okay. Hamsa arkadaşlar, avalım şu bizninki ilgirki qaydimiz boyunca şu oldığımız derslerini bir kısa tekrarlab ölsek, tekrardan keyin bizninki şu yeni dersimiz kesek. Alright. Hamsa bunun qanarisanlar read the words as fast as you can. Amalım şu sözlerini Amalning bir eng tez suratda bir o'qib baqinglar. Okay, which one? Detective. Yaxshi. Airport, expect, valuable, parcel, diamond, steel, main, airfield, guard, precious, stone, sand, competition, meat, path, wooden, pool, prize, enter, town. Okay. And that bu şu sözler qarsanlar, birinchisi detective. Detective deganimiz razvedchik shunami? Razvedchik. Airport, expect, shu kutmak, taqozo bo'lmoq. Valuable, qimmatli. Parcel, posilka. Diamond. Okay, o'zgacha diamond. Okay, and the diamond deganimiz olmos. Steel. Okay, steel deganimiz o'g'irlamoq. Main asosliq. Airfield, aeroplan uchirgan yo'li bor shu airfield degan. Guard. Okay, and the guard deganimiz shu qarovulliq turmoq. Yoki nima desam, qarovul degan gap shu. Precious, qimmatlik. Stone, tosh. Sand, qum degan gap. Competition. Competition degan nima edi? Competition deganimiz musobaqa. Neat, pokiz, ratlik. Path, chig'ir yo'l. Wooden, okay, and the wooden deganimizchi yog'ochda yasalgan yog'ochni. Okay, pool, so'kolchka. Prize, okay, prize deganimiz mukofot, shunami? Enter bo'lsa kirmak, shunami? Town deganimiz yez bozor. Demakchi yezdan cho'ng, shahardan kichkani town deymiz. All right, endi qaranglar savoldoshlar. We have questions back which questions can jawab berib baqinglar. So what were they doing yesterday afternoon? Okay, what were they doing yesterday afternoon? And ular tushdan keyin, tunugun tushdan keyin nima ish qildi? Qarasang ular nima ish qildi bu rasmda? Nima? They were playing beach volleyball yesterday afternoon. Adamya beach deganimiz dengiz sohili degan gapchi. Okay, volleyball. Okay, volleyball shunami? Yesterday afternoon. Ular tunugun tushdan keyin qumliq volleyballni qanday qildi desanglar, o'ynayotdi. Demak, hamda bu ilgirki oldin qatimliq darsimizda o'rgangan u nima desanglar, o'tgan davomlashayotgan zaman. Masalan, tunugun tushdan keyin nima qilyapsiz? Tunugun tushdan keyin televizor ko'rayotgandim. I was watching TV yesterday afternoon. Bunun asosli nima desanglar, BP ning o'tgan zaman shakli. Uning ikkinchi desanglar, mush P ning oyinchi shakli kelishi kerak. Mush bo'lganda nima desanglar, o'tgan davomlashayotgan zaman. So, next question is, what were they doing yesterday afternoon? And ular nima ish qilyapti mana shu qisqa kichik. They were riding horses yesterday afternoon. And they were riding horses. They were ular manda qavatati. Qanday qavatati? At minvatati degandek. Okay, and was she skiing at 5 p.m. yesterday? Okay, and 4-5 minut o'tganda muz taylayotganda skiing deganimiz nima desanglar, qotiyilmoq degan gap, skiing. Bular nima deysiz? No, she was not. Yana birisi, no, she wasn't. She wasn't, nima? Yo'q, u unda qilmayotdi. She wasn't and she was not. U nima qildi? Futbol o'ynayotdi, shunami? Okay. What about was he playing football at 4:05? Okay, 4 or 5. Yeah, 5 past 4. Yes, he was. u qanaqa qilyapti? O'ynayapti. Okay, endi mana keyingisi qarasanglar, burada nima desanglar? Which is heavier? Bu bo'ladi nima desanglar? Mana shu sifatlarningki selishtirma darajasi. Masalan, birinchisi qaranglar, shoptul 1,5 kilo kapti. Shoptul debman ya. Apple, olma, apple. Onun degani yariki orange, apelsin 1 kilo kapti. So which one is heavier? Keyingi iyarni qo'shsak hamda ig'iyroq tushunami? Which one is heavier, apple or orange? Sizlarcha, o'sha qaysi bekrak ig'iyroq? The apple is heavier than the orange. Okay. Endi qarasang nima desang, olma, apelsin qaraganda ig'iyroq. What about next? Which is heavier, apple or pear? Qaysi ig'iyroq? Nashputmi yoki olmami? Endi nashput 2 kilo keldi ekan, olma, apple 1,5 kilo keldi ekan. Which one? Of course, the pear is heavier than the apple. Demakki the yiliqi shnama? Yiliqi nimdan? Olmadan qanday desanglar ig'iyroq. And which one is the heaviest? Apple, the orange, or the pears? Okay, and bu uchinchi qo'y. And buningda apple is heavier than orange, and apple and also pear is heavier than apple. And which one is heaviest? And qanaqa ig'iyroq. And the pear is the heaviest. Demek ki pear is the heaviest. Demek spetlening ke seliştirme dersi ötken dögen noksanamız arkadaşlar heavy, heavier, heaviest. Köpüncesi i arkasında seliştirme dersi rock. Şunama est bolsa en yuqori dersi heaviest. Xo'sh, mesela qaranglar, mushlarniki seliştirme dersi en yuqori dersini yezib baqaylik. Mesela small, okay, small, smaller, smallest. Shunami? Small, smaller, smallest. Large, larger, largest. Shunami? Large, yo'g'on, yo'g'roq, eng yo'g'on. Fat. Bu oxiri ichida bir tam so'zliq tovush bor, hamda buningki bir bo'g'imliq fat. Shunami? Bir bo'g'im bo'ldi bu. Hamda uni o'rni keyindan sanalgan ikkinchi o'rni bo'lsa, so'zliq tovush yapman. So'zliq tovushdan. Bu qanaqa qilmaydi? Sana eng oxirgi shu o'zlik tovush yapini bir qatim qaytlab endi yarqatamiz. Masalan, fat, fatter, fattest. Okay, fat, fatter, fattest. Masalan, happy, happier, happiest. Okay, and the happy deganimiz xushal. Nima happier, xushalroq, happiest, eng xushal. Mesela many, more, most. And bazı alayda sıfatlarınki bizden ayrım şekli olur. Mesela many, more, most. A little, less, least. Demek ki little az, less azraq, least en az. Far azraq, farther, forest. Okay, forest. Okay, en yiraq degan gap. Good, better, yani best. Bunu bilsizlar. Ama bad, worse. And the worst. Degan ekan. Demak, mushlar sog'lashlar islam shu o'rganishlarga intayim muhimdir. Janoblar, mush narsalarni qat'iy unutib qolish qolmaydi. Bo'lsa kitoblarning chiqmaydigan yerga yezib, bo'lsa oldingi darsni takrorlab qo'ysanglar ham yaxshi. Okay. So, retell the story. Retell the story. And some shu hikoyani bir azroq qaytadan bir bayon qilib beramizlar. Masalan, Joe Sanders, the most beautiful garden. Joe Sanders has the most beautiful garden in our town. Shunami? Bizningki shu yezib bozorimiz bo'yicha eng chiroyli gardens bor. Shunami? Okay. And everybody enters for nice garden competition. Joe wins. Demakchi, everybody enters for the nice garden competition each year, but Joe wins every time. But Joe wins every time. And Joe, Belfast garden is larger than Joe's. Bill works harder than Joe and grows more flowers and vegetables, but Joe's garden is more interesting. And we are going to have to make a but again. I can't you rush the Salama. And we are getting the but. Which are the clean times. I like all kinds of music, like pop, jazz, rap. But my favorite one is pop music. Lekin men eng yaxshi ko'radiganim bo'lsa pop. Demak, eng yaxshi ko'radigan qaysi reysir shu. Shu eng yaxshi ko'radiganim men pop. Demak, endi hozir bir muncha quruq gap bo'ldi. Keyingi meg'izliq gap nima desa, shu botni ekan chiqadi. Demak, oldi bilan qarama-qarshida ham shu bot, lekin biroq amma degan ekan. Lekin biroq amma. Undan keyin qarasanglar, need paths wooden bridge over the pool. Chunki he has made neat paths and has built a wooden bridge over a pool. Okay. And he likes garden. I like gardens too, but I do not like hard work. Every year I enter for the garden competition too, and I always win a little prize for the worst garden in the town. Ama şey izimiz boyunca gardenga qanday qilmaydi? Erishimdaydi. Okay, hamsa qaranglar. Birinchi ulab nima desanglar, nima ekan bo'la bu? Town hall. Okay, town hall. Good. And what can you see in the picture? Okay, what can you see in the picture? Bu resimde nimani ko'ringlar bolalar, nimalar bor ekan buningda? Qaranglar. Birga town hall deydi shunama. Bu yer bir tal nim turdi, soat turdi shunama. Undan keyin kishi degan qilib vaqirishib, chiyqirishib, nima ish qilyapti? Bir narsaga tantana qilyapti, po'jangzil degan paranch betlib ketibdi. Demak, bir ish bo'pti shunama. Okay. Undan keyin what is the time now? Okay, vaqt qachon? Tekstni oldin ko'rgan bo'lsangiz bilasizlar. What is the time now? And what are the people doing? So what are the people doing? Wait, kishilar nima ish qilyapti? Okay. So what can you see in the picture? Who? A great number of people. A great number of people. A great number of people. Nurgun degan gap. A great number of people. Nurgun kishilar. Nima ko'rib nurgun kishilarni ko'rib tabiiyada. So what the town hall? Nimani ko'raman town hall. Town hall degani shu shaharlik yoki shaharlik hukumatningki shunaqa ish bajarish o'rni, hukumat joylashgan yo'q endi. Deymiz Shveda qanday. Shuningki hamda shu maydon oldidagi maydon, shaharlik hukumatning oldidagi maydon. A great number of people have come to the town hall and stay together. So what is the time? Yeah, it's 5 to 12. Yeah, okay. 2 past 12. Clock stop. Doesn't want to welcome. They make it matter. It is 5 to 12 on a clock, but in fact, it is 2 past 12. Okay, and let the saat qarasak. Bu saatda vaqt 12:05 minut qolgan. Demak, shu bir yil tushib, yangi bir yilga o'tish kerak. Tushunami? Amaliyot tili bilan sanlar o soat to'xtab qolib qanday sanlar. He doesn't welcome the new year. So what are the people doing? Kishilar nima qiladi? Laughing or singing. Kishilar naqsh aytayotganmi? Yo, kulyaptimi? Okay, of course. Everybody is laughing and singing. Ko'pchilik ham naqsh aytayotadi, ham usul o'ynayotadi. Nima ham naqsh aytayotadi, ham nima qilyapti? Xo'sh, hamsa demak, bugungi darsimiz shu Welcome the New Year shu to'g'risi bo'ldi. Hamda garchi biz mana Shinjongda bu yangi yilni kutib olish ancha bir yuqur palla ko'tarilmasmi? Lekin hamda shu chet ellarda jumladan chiqib taraqqiy qilgan yerlar intayin zo'rchu. Hatta Shanxayda qandarisanglar bu adam dengiziga aylandi. Adamning qanchalik ko'pligini vaytanga vatanli qandarisanglar shu vaqtda bilgan gap. Boyliqqa people, mountain people, sea deydi. Demak ham odam dengiz oldingi yilmi shu dastlab ketgani bekor emas. Bu intayın köp. Mesela mansanglar şu aldığında şu bir kol aralık kalıdı ya kalmaydı. Eğer birisi yıkılsan boldu, bütün adam kanarsanlar çoğun bir chaos olup gidiyor. Şuna her bir kadem sakçı olmasa. Şunda durup kanarsanlar adam derslip getiriyor. Demek bu adamın qanchalik ko'pligini his qila olasizlar buning kayfiyatning atmosphere very high. Xo'sh, hamsa birinchi so'z nima ekan? A great number of people have stayed together here. A large crowd of people gathered here. Okay. Endi bu yerga birinchi crowd. Endi bu yerga crowd deganimiz nima desanglar, kishilar to'pi. Okay. Balkim crowd degan qisqanchiliklar bo'lgan bo'lsa mumkin. Nima? U crowd degan qisqanchilik. Demak shu odamlar yig'ilganda qanday bo'ldi? Odamlar to'p kelganda qisqanchilik bo'lib ketgan. Shu crowd deganimiz odamlar to'pi. Masalan, crowd of people. Bir to'p kishilar. Ammo large crowd of people, cho'ng bir to'p kishilar. Endi bu yerga stay together, birga turmoq. Endi bu yerga gather deganimiz shu stay together ekan, nima deysanlar, qisqartirmasa. Demak, birinchi so'z crowd, yana birisi nima? Gather. Mana cho'qim yozinglar, gather. Keyingi so'z qarasanglar nima deysanlar? The big minute hand did not move at 5 to 12. Endi bu hand deganimiz hamda biz qo'l deymiz-ku, qo'limiz. Endi bu soatning qo'li nima deysanlar, shu soatning istiralkisi. A big a minute hand. Demakchi uniki nima? Soat istiralkisi qaranglar. Yo'q, minute istiralkisi. Mush minute istiralkisini hand deymiz. The big clock does not want to welcome the new year. Xo'sh, endi welcome deganimiz nima deysanlar? Shu qarasam bak, welcome and does not want xohlamaydi. Xohlamaslik degan nima deymiz-sanlar? Refuse. Refuse. And the refuse deganimiz chiroyli holda birisini rad qilib o'tish, birisini taklifini rad qilish bo'lsa, refuse bo'ladi. Yana birga reject deb bir so'z bor. R E J E C T. Reject. And the reject nima deysanlar? Rad qilmoq. Rad qilmoq. Refuse, reject. All right. Shout. Don't talk to baby in a loud voice. Okay, and the loud deganimiz nima deysanlar? Yuqori ovozda shunami? Demak, don't shout at the baby. Okay. Demak, and the shout deganimiz vaqirash, chaqirash. Okay, asa yengsiz deganda berishga deb vaqirab, "Voh!" deb vaqirab ketmish shunami? That is called shout. Yoki nima deymiz? Talk very, very loudly. Yoki talk in a very loud voice. In a loud voice. Okay, shout, shouting. And don't shout at me. Hey, ma vaqirma, vaqirimjima. Degan shu. Shout deymiz. Shout. All right. And so, read the word as fast as you can. Okay? Welcome. Snama. Shout. Into. Crowd. Okay? Refuse. Kingston. Gather. And laugh. Okay. Oh, and hand. Welcome. Crowd, gather, ham, refuse, shout, laugh. Okay, nice. Okay, and somehow boşurunlarını bir toldurap bakamsa valla. Abunalda shout, crowd, gather, laugh, refuse. Şu yeni sözler var ki yeni sözlerini bir işiltip yapmalar. Mesela the street or and the name is street or crowded with the people. Naydaşı. Bu koca adamlarla lıq tulapdı. Yoki adamlarla qistan olib ketibdi, shunami? Okay. And it's had manner to okay, nima? It's bad manner to shout in public. Bu manner deganimiz qiliq degan gap. U bo'sna boshqalarga vaqirishni aytdi. Osal, eski qiliq. It's a really bad manner, right? It's a really, really bad manner. Okay. Number 3. He asked his parents for some money, but they to give him. And o ata-onasidan azroq pul berishni so'radi, lekin qanaqa so'rgan ekan, lekin bo'lganligini nima rad qiladi. Rad qilishni qaysi deydi? Nima deydi qollar? Deb qo'yinglar. Rad qilmoq. Reject them though. Yanchi? Okay, refused. Demak, they refused to give him. Ular berishni qanday qildi? Rad qildi. Demak, refuse rad qilmoq. Number 4. Please at the school gate at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Okay, please. Endi bir şey hareketi var. Sana gather. Ma gather diye adamların buraya topluşı, yığılışın deyimiz. Valla gather. Okay, gather. Mesela seyahat çıkmak olsanlar bir yer yığılışlaşnağa, hay valla şu mektepten aldık yığılaydı. Gather at in. Tamam. Number 4. He is a person who never loudly. Okay, o qanday laughs loudly. Demekçi o nayet çın külmeydiğen, avazını çıkarıp külmeydiğen qanday desanlar şahs. Demekçi he is a very polite person. Okay. Burada hamsa text gap qaptık. Text. So find a sentence in the same meaning. Okay, find a sentence in the same meaning. Xo'sh, hamsa mushuna o'xshash ma'nolik so'zlarni topar ekanmiz. Avval aslan mushuniki anglashuvchisini shuningki anglash qismini bor. Nayt ko'ngil qo'yib bir qatam anglab o'tgandan keyin tanlanglar. Anglaymiz.
Lesson 9. A cold welcome. First listen and then answer the question. What does a cold welcome refer to? On Wednesday evening, we went to the town hall. It was the last day of the year, and a large crowd of people had gathered under the town hall clock. It would strike 12 in 20 minutes' time. 15 minutes passed, and then, at 5 to 12, the clock stopped. The big minute hand did not move. We waited and waited, but nothing happened. Suddenly, someone shouted, "It's 2 minutes past 12. The clock has stopped." I looked at my watch. It was true. The big clock refused to welcome the new year. At that moment, everybody began to laugh and sing.
Okay, finished. Hamda mushu jumla bilan bolalar. Men bir yaqin so'zlarni bir deb boqamizlar. Masalan, a large crowd of people had gathered under the town hall clock. Demek a large crowd of nurgun top kişiler. Mesela A, so many people had gathered under the town hall clock. B, a few people had gathered under the town hall clock. And then you had a large number of, a large crowd of people, so many people. Nurgun kişiler. Şu an Amerika few people dediğimiz az kişiler ama hata oldu. Şunun için kaysını tanlayımız bu birincisi? A. Demek ki so many people had gathered. Demek nurgun kişiler bir yapma nakıldı çıkıldı. Number 2. It would strike 12 in 20 minutes time. Hem de meğersem o sokmakçı idi. Yani dangçanmakçı idi. Yaptaranşımakçı idi. Kadar in 20 minutes time. 20 minuttan keyin. Demek 20 minutdan keyin qanaqa qilmoqchi? 12ga dangchanmoqchi. Demek hamda hozir soat necha bo'ldi? It was 20 to 12. Demek 12ga 20 minut qolgan vaqt naq 11dan 40 minut o'tgan. Shundami? It means it was 11:40. Number 3. The big clock refused to welcome the new year. Bu yo'g'on soat qanda yangi yilni qarshi olishni rad qildi. Okay. The one thing the big clock refused to say Happy New Year. The big clock stopped. The big clock stopped. Big clock stopped. The big clock refused to welcome the new year. The big clock stopped. Put the sentence in a picture. Okay, and the mushu jumla number ordinary is paqamsla balla. Qaysi birinchisi? Qaranglar. Birinchisi nima deydi o'tsanglar? On Wednesday evening we went to the town hall. Okay. Chorshanba. kechqurun biz shaharlik hukumatning ish bajarishining oldi zalga yoki oldi maydonga bordik town hall. Ikkinchisi, it was the last day of the year. O kuni o'sha yil bo'yicha eng oxirgi kuni bo'lgandi. A large crowd of people had gathered under the town hall clock. Nurg'un kishilar shu soatning ostiga yig'ilgan edi. Uchinchisi, it was strike 12 in 20 minutes time. U asla 20 minutes, 20 minutdan keyin qanaqa maqsadi? Dangchan maqsadi. Shunaqa? 15 minutes passed, and then at 5 to 12 the clock stopped. And 15 minut o'tdi, and 12 5 minut qolgan vaqtda qanaqa qildi? Bu soat tuyuqsiz to'xtab qoldi. Tuyuqsiz to'xtab qoldi. Shunaqa? The big minute hand did not move. We waited and waited, but nothing happened. Animatetsanglar, bu yo'g'on minut stilkisi midilmidi. Biz saqla, lekin hech qanaqa ish yuz bermadi. Shunaqa? I looked at my Suddenly someone shouted, "It's 2 minutes past 12. The clock has stopped." And birisi tuyuqsiz vaqirdi. Suddenly. Hozir soat 12 2 minut o'tibdi. Bu soat 50 soat to'xtab qolibdi. And the clock has stopped. I looked at my watch. It was true. Men soatdan o'shunda qaragandim. U to'g'ri ekan. The big clock refused to welcome the new year. Bu yo'g'on soat bu yangi yilni qarshi olishni rad qildi. At the moment, everybody began to laugh and sing. Mush paytda hammadan nima ish qilish boshladi? Naqsha aytib, kulib qilishga qana qildi, boshladi. Okay, andaqda shu bugungi darsimizningki intayin muhim bo'lgan bir qismi language focus. Language focus qismi kelaylik arkadaşlar. Bu qismda intayin muhim bo'lgan narsa. Masalan, it would strike 12 in 20 minutes time. Okay. Ani bir yerga strike. Strike deganimiz nima dersanglar? Shu dangchamaq yoki dumbaq nag'ir bir narsa urish vaqo, shuni strike deymiz. Masalan, he struck the drum with a stick. U dumbaqni tayoq bilan chaldi deydi. Shu dang chaldi, dumbaq chaldi, shu gomol tutib urish vaqo, shuni strike deymiz. Buni o'tgan zaman shakli nima? Struck. Listen, the clock is striking. And the nima? Anglang, hozir soat qanday qilyapti? Dang chalyapti. Endi dunyoviy danglik bir soat bor. U bo'lsa nima desanglar, Big Ben deb qo'yar, Angliyadagi. Bu Benjamin degan odam yozgan ekan, shuni buni qisqartirib Big Ben deydi-ku. Big Ben. Bu hisobda Angliyaniki simul xarakterlik, vakil xarakterlik bir binasi. Shuni nima deymiz? Big Ben deymiz. Masalan, please a match to light the cigarette. Please strike the match. Demakchi, saranga yiqish vaqo, shu yiqish uchun qanaqa qiling? Please strike the match. Demakchi, ashuni surkan nima? To light a cigarette. Bu tamakini tutashtirish uchun. Demak, endi mushariki savollashlar strike-niki, demak, shu bir narsani ishlatib dang chelish, urish, onadagi masalanlarni yiqish deb ma'nosi bor ekan. Shunami? Demak, soatniki qo'ng'iroq chalishni nima deymiz? Striking. And 15 minutes passed, and then the 5 to 12. Okay, endi mushariki pass bilan pass o'xshashdan nima desanglar, shu o'tgan deb ifodalaydi. Lekin endi buningki pass P-A-S-S, bu nima? Pil, o'tmak. Shunami? Masalan, past. Lekin endi yana birisi past deganimiz nima desanglar? Bu faqat nima desanglar? Bog'lovchi. Bu ayrim ma'no yo'q, masalan, bog'lash rolini o'ynaydi. Masalan, he walked past. Demak, walked pastdan pillardan birikib keladi ma'no. Masalan, he walked past me and smiled to me. Endi mendan mana o'tdi, men tarafdan o'tdi, mana qildi, kulimsiradi deymiz. And at the moment everybody began to laugh and sing. And mishariki at the moment mush paytda nima qildi? Shu da'vatga vaqtda my mother is cooking supper. Demak, my mother is cooking supper now. Demak, at the moment endi hozir degan gap. Yana masalan, at the moment I was nervous then. Okay. Nima desanglar, mush vaqtda. at that moment. And me at that moment aş vaqtda men qanday qilgandim? Intayin jiddiyleşkendim. Mesela please wait for a moment. Demek please wait for a while degan gap. Demek endi ma moment deganimiz at the moment degan naq mushu vaqtda shunama. And at that moment degan ayni vaqtida. Shunama? And for a moment degan qisqagina jindek. Mesela wait for a moment. Ve jindek saqlab turgan. Demek intayin qisqa naytdi. Qisqa bir saqlab turgan degan gap bo'ldi. Okay, next grammar focus. And so bugungi grammar focus nuqta qarab baqayli. Endi bunun qarab baqadigan bo'lsak, savolashlar, buning asosli nima dersanglar on, in, at. Bu shu on, in, at mush nuqtalarma. Masalan qaranglar, mushlarni bir to'ldirib baqayli. Wednesday evening, nima deymiz mushlarga? On Wednesday evening, we went to the town hall. It was the last day of the year, and a large crowd of people had gathered under the town hall clock. It would strike 12 in 20 minutes time. And the mishara in deganimiz miyariki ishida emas balkim keyin. Demakki 20 minutdan keyin degan gap. 15 minutes passed, and then at 5 to 12, aniq bir vaqtni ifodalagan at 5 to 12, the clock stopped. The big minute hand did not move. We waited and waited, but nothing happened. Suddenly someone shouted, "It's 12. The clock has stopped." I looked at my watch. It was true. The big clock refused to welcome the new year. At that moment, everybody began to laugh and sing. Mush paytda kishilar qanday qilish boshladi? Shu nimalarni to'ldiruvchi. Naqsha aytib uslanish boshladi. Endi men har kim shu vaqt bog'lovchilar, endi bu bog'lovchilarning o'zidan ayrim ma'nosi yo'q bolalar. Shu nimaga birga kelib ma'no ifodalab berdi. Mesela şu çoğum şu bağlanıp gelip andın birlikte gelganço. Mesela on deganimiz nima edi? Sen kunlarni oldiga keladi. Şöyle olma aniq kunning oldiga on keladi. Mesela on Monday morning, ondan keyin mesela kunlarga ma'lum bir vaqt bo'ligi, shunami? On Monday morning. Okay, and May 1st, and aylar degan bilan oyning kunini qo'ysa yana o'xshash on Monday 1st, May 1st, yoki New Year's Day, Children's Day deganlarga o'xshatma on keladi. Ana men at degangacha desanglar, bu at night aniq bir vaqtga, bir aniq nuqtaga keladi. Masalan, at 12 o'clock, at 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, at noon, at night, at the moment, demek ki naq shu bir chekitda keladigan at keladi. Masalan, at noon deganda 12 ga vaqt emasmi? At night bu naq kech soat 12 ga vaqt. Kech soat 12 deyman, shu kechlik vaqtni bildiradi. Endi men in degancha desanglar ma'lum bir doirani bildiradi. Masalan, o'rin bo'lamdi, masalan, in Kashgar, in China, shunami? Endi vaqtga o'xshashlarni nima desam, ma'lum bir doiralik vaqtni bildiradi. Hargiz aniq masalan in 1 o'clock degan bo'lmaydi. Mesela in the morning. Morning deganda shu tushug'icha, shu cho'ng bir orliq shunami? Mesela in May bu bir oy vaqtni ko'rsatadi. Ya in 2 years time, endi 2 yildan keyin, debchi. Demak, endi mush narsalarni bo'lsa kitoblarni chiqmas yerga yoziladi. On, at, in larniki qanday desanglar farqi. All right. Amsa qaranglar, mushu on, at, in larni bir to'ldirib qo'yinglar. Mushunga put the right word in the sentence. Masalan, he has gone abroad, u chet elga chiqib ketdi. And he will return manchilik vaqtdan keyin qaytib keladi. In o'xshashlar nima? In 12 years time. Okay, I always go to market, and the kunlarni oladigan keldi on Sundays, on Saturdays, I always go to market. Men doimda boraman. Bazaga boraman. And keyingi I can't see him at the moment. Mush paytda kiramadim. I'm very busy. Men hozir qanday? Bek oldirash. My birthday is on November 7th. Okay, and the kunlarga 7th, shunami? I was born in yillarni alani mikildi in. Yaxshi. And the days are very short. And the oyga nima keldi? Oyga oxirgi qolgani in. All right. I'm sure abay o'rgangan shu narsalarni bir mashq qilib olganmiz. Okay, birinchisi, it's nice to go for a walk. Ma'nosi in a cool summer evening deganga va shu bo'g'asini on. Yaxshi. In a cool summer evening, ama shu catch qurulliqi shunda kunlarda degan. Masalan, his family didn't eat at home. Okay, spring of the festival. And eve deganimda qanday kuni? Bu degan arab kuni. Kunni ko'rsatishmi? Shunga bo'lingan emas. On arab kunlari. Xo'sh, keyingisi. Masalan, she said she would be back. And the munch kunning keyin degan bo'lgan ekan demaysan. In 10 days. In 10 days. O 10 kun degan qanday qildi? Qaytib kelmoqchi. Okay. And my king's job. Masalan, bunga demaysan on December 12th, yoki 22nd, sorry, December 22nd, and oylar bilan kunlar aniq kelib qolsa nima deysan? On ishlatamiz. And we will have shorter stay time in our country. Shu eng qisqa kun bo'lar deydi. Okay, amsa bizningki bugungi darsimiz savatlar mishagichi bo'lsin. Hamda kelar soat shu yangi darsni tushunamiz. Shom shu darslarni bo'lsa qanday sonli yodlab olinglar. Cho'qim so'zliklarni 10 qatim, tekstni cho'qim yodlanglar. Cho'qim vahshiyatli o'tish kerak. Ammo oldin qadamda dedim sizlarga 6 darsni bir guruh qilib yodlanglar. Bir niyatlar bo'lib 6sini biroqlar hammasini o'tkazib bersanglar, menda aylantirib shu. Uni eng yaxshi bo'ladi. All right, that's all for today and see you next time. Goodbye.